Hi guys, welcome back to App Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Tumblr account. So in order to recover your Tumblr account, first of all, open up your Tumblr app. As you open up your Tumblr app, you land on an interface like this where you'll have to either get started, that is sign up, or simply log in. Since you've already signed up and only want to recover your account, tap on login. And as soon as you tap on login, you will now have to enter the email address that you used in order to sign up to Tumblr. So here I'm just going to enter my email address and then tap on continue. After doing this, you can either be sent a magic link or enter a password instead. So here I'm just going to enter my password, but I have forgotten my password, so I'll have to tap on forgot your password. Now after this, tap on submit on the top right corner. And here you will be notified that you'll be sent a certain email in your Gmail. So I will have to now go to my Gmail and check if Tumblr has sent me any email. So here as my email loads, I am able to see that Tumblr has sent me a certain email. So I'm just going to check through it and then tap on reset password. As soon as I tap on reset password, I will now be directed towards a page where I will be able to enter my new password and set up a completely new password for my account in order to recover my account. So here I'm entering my new password and I am confirming my new password again, and then tap on set new password. After doing this, simply tap on done on top left corner. And now tap on login on the top right corner again. And now what you can do is you can simply enter the password that you just set for your account and then tap on go or login on the top right corner. As soon as you do that, you will be able to see that you have now been logged into your Tumblr account, which means that your account recovery has been successful. So this is how you recover your account by using your email address. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you liked the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit the bell notification so that you do not miss out on any of our tutorial videos. Thank you so much for watching.